is not yours. Do not be putting it in your pocket, okay? There are a dime a dozen cell phones now, so you can get your very own, but please do not mess up somebody's day and bring their cell phone back. It was in the bathroom. We have a game for you. Are you excited for this? These are our our participants. As you can see, they're from Tamale, so awesome. They have to do this, right? Voluntold. This game is called Junk in the Trunk. You might have heard it. You ready for this? The object of the game is to get all the balls out of the box. Right? Oh, we got some drummers too that can help with the shaking. This is great. Let's meet our victims. Johnny Lugo. My goodness, with that low voice. You better stop it. I'm a grown woman. There. Have you done Junk in the Trunk before?
I dabble.
He dabbled. We have a professional, ladies and gentlemen. I think this game is rigged already. Okay, and to my right, the other handsome gentleman. What's your name, honey? I'm sorry, William Pasavalu? That's a lot of vowels in there. I gotta make sure my mouth is inflicted to make sure I say that right. William Pasavalu. Oh, Wayne! I'm making up your name as we go. Wayne, you look like a William to me. No, I'm just kidding. Wayne, thank you so much for participating. I'm sorry we got a ringer in the house. He seems to be dabbling in the Junk in the Trunk game quite a bit. All right, so they have to shake out all the balls in their box right here. And we're going to get our drummers, if it's possible, please, to participate and just drum it out to help them give some beat to their shaking. And you guys have a job as well. You have to cheer them on because there's a lot of balls and boxes that need to come out, okay? So we're going to turn around. Yes, stretch. We don't want to pull a muscle. We don't got insurance up in here. Yeah, turn around because we need to see it up front and personal. Scoop. Yes. All the assets. Come back. On your mark. Shake it. And then you drop it like it's hot like that? That is crazy! Well, give it up for our winner, Junk in the Trunk master over here. Wayne, congratulations. You can pick whatever prize for that shake and bake that you did. And thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Hey, check them out though. Their group is coming up pretty soon, so don't go anywhere. We have more fun games. Thank you for participating. And we have your prizes out there for you. If you find a ball in your midst, please return them, okay? We've fallen on the budget up in here. All right, back to the show, folks. Under the direction of Kumu Lori and Chris Amongela. Okay. Amongela. From Milpitas, California, established 1995. They teach hula and Tahitian dances. But first of all, we would like to take a moment to pass away, I know. And they get to be here with us today. Please welcome, a warm welcome, and to show that we are here in support, the beautiful Haley, her sister, to tell us a little bit about Alyssa, and then we'll just take a moment of silence before they start their group.
On August 9th, 2017, our Heavenly Father called up our angel, Alyssa Keana, Pua Itakea, of Rodon Amahala of Hope. At 20 years young, she accomplished many achievements as well as touched many people's lives, both near and far. But one thing that Alyssa continuously wore on her sleeve was her love and pride for the Polynesian culture. Although we do not carry Polynesian in our blood, Alyssa carried it strongly and proudly in her heart since the first day she stepped foot on the dance floor. Our Milpitas community together, but our Hula and Tahitian dance community as well. And for that, we are forever grateful. We thank you for all your support, prayers, and love, and we hope that Alyssa's story lives through all of us. Mahalo nui loa and mahalo ke akua. Much love and God bless.
Thank you so much for joining us today in light of your loss, and we are all here to commemorate. Thank you so much. Group that helped us with the junk in the trunk, and they get to entertain you even more today. Kawai Lehua!
Marudu. Earlier, the soloist was our 6-year-old Maddie. She's an award-winning soloist in our halau. And next, we're bringing up her and her Hula sisters to do their otea for you. Paporoa, Yaunana. Itamahoa, Maeva. Island Radio Festival 2018, Yolanda! Have a great day too. Please stay everyone safe and God bless. Mahalo.
Put your hands together for